In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in a Confluence table. Merging cells is a quick way to create clean headers, group related data, and make your tables easier to read. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, and along the way I'll share a few pointers, so you know what to expect on screen. First, open the Confluence page that contains your table and click Edit. You'll know you are in edit mode when the page content becomes interactive, and you can place your cursor inside the table. If you don't see the option to edit, make sure you have permission to modify the page. Next, highlight the cells you want to merge. Click once inside the first cell. Then click and drag your mouse across the other cells. The key here is that the cells must be adjacent and form a single rectangular block. No gaps. No diagonals. You can select across a single row, down a column, or over multiple rows and columns, as long as they're all touching. When your selection is successful, the cells will appear highlighted so you can clearly see what's included. With the cells still selected, look for a small down arrow inside one of the highlighted cells. This is the Cell Options menu. If you don't see it right away, hover your mouse near the edge of a selected cell or move your cursor slightly until the arrow appears. Also confirm that your selection is still active and that you are in edit mode. The arrow won't show on a published page. Now choose Merge Cells from that menu. As soon as you click it, Confluence combines the highlighted cells into a single larger cell. Any content from those cells is brought together, typically in top to bottom, left to right order, and line breaks may appear where the original cell boundaries were. You'll notice the table grid updates to reflect the new structure, and the merged area becomes one continuous editing space you can style or align as needed. That's the entire process. Thanks for watching.